Hello everybody, welcome into the shop. Today I'll show you how to make this beautiful maple and oak cutting board right in your shop. So stick around, hope you enjoy the video, and let's get right into it. I also got this new mug from my uncle, so shout out to him, but you should do what it says. In case you can't read that, it says subscribe. So do it if you're not already. Also hit that little notification bell to get notified when I upload. Now let's get into it. We have these two pieces of wood here. We have this beautiful piece of maple with a bunch of crazy grain. And we also have this piece of red oak here. This red oak is 17 inches. Our final width of our board is going to be 16 and a half. But we have to leave a bit of room to cut off about a 1/4 inch on each side. Because when we glue this together, it'll make it'll be a little off. So we're going to have to square up everything at the end. So we'll still have to leave a bit of room to get our desired length on that. So we're going to cut down this piece of maple to 17 inches, the same length as this, and yeah, get everything lined up, and then we'll get it ready for glue. So what I'm going to do next here is actually split this board straight down the middle with my table saw here, and then we'll work from there to see how we can lay it out, because I really want this grain to show through and balanced on each side. So we're going to go do that now and start splitting this board down. Now we're going to go cut some strips of oak just to go in the middle and make it, just to spruce it up a little bit. So what we're going to do now is actually cut off 2 strips from each side of the inside of this board so that it all flows together and looks like this board is just spread apart with some beautiful red oak in the middle. So we're going to go cut those down now. Let's get right to it. Okay, so we got this all lined up here now. This is the way it was when I first started cutting it. So now we're gonna open this up, take this oak chunk, put it in the middle, separate it with these. And you line that up like that, and this is going to be the look of our board in the end. Kind of a modern, seamless design. It's kind of minimalistic, and so we're gonna get this glued up now, and yeah, stay tuned for the final result. Let's get to it. So what we're going to do next is just add a little chamfer around the edges here just to make it look a little nicer and give it a little touch of character. So let's go do that there now. So what we're gonna do now is water pop the grain. We got it sanded to 120 grit, and we're gonna water pop before we hit 220 so that when you wash the board, the grain doesn't rise up. The board is dry after the water pop. Now we're just gonna hit it with a bit of 220 grit sandpaper. And then after that's done, we can apply the beeswax and the board will be finished. Now that we got that sanded down to 220, we're ready to apply finish. So I have my beeswax and mineral oil blend here, which is perfect for all cutting boards. And this little sponge. What we're gonna do is just apply some of this. You can actually purchase this finish on my website, gileswoodshop.com, and I'll even leave a link to it in the description if you would like to check it out. It's a great finish, and you have to reapply it every 3 to 6 months, but I have little care cards that come with it that just explain to you how to do it and what you'll need to do it. So check it out if you're interested. It's a great product. We're going to take the board and wipe off the excess board butter that's on it. Camera died before I got finished recording an outro, but hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, do what the mug said. Hit the subscribe button. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.